Okay, for 36, they give a scatter plot and they're asking to describe the association. Okay, now I'm going to differ a little from the book on this. I'm okay if you just realize that it's something along those lines, and I would be okay if you said it's a positive correlation, right? The book is going to ask you to be more specific. It's going to say, is it a strong, weak? I would say this is strong because all of the points, right, all of these points, right, these points are really gripping that trend line. They're not scattered. They're not like down here, right? They're tightly placed. So I would say it's a strong positive correlation. Also, it's linear, right? And we only really talked mostly about linear correlations, so I'm okay to leave that off. So again, for me, positive correlation is fine. The book would probably want you to say it's a strong, linear positive correlation.